In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to your Steam wallet using Google Pay. If you're an avid gamer, you probably know how crucial it is to keep your Steam wallet topped up, as it allows you to make seamless purchases of games, in-game items, or even gift cards. But doing so with Google Pay might seem a bit tricky if you're not quite sure where to begin. Don't worry, by the end of this guide, you'll be confidently adding funds to your Steam wallet with just a few taps. First, let's start by opening your Steam app on your mobile device or desktop. Ensure you're logged into your account so you have full access to all functionalities. An active internet connection is crucial here, as these steps require online transactions, so double-check your connection to avoid any hiccups. Once you're logged into Steam, head straight to the Store option on your homepage. This is where all transaction-related menus lurk. Now, locate the section that says Account Details. You can usually find this under your account name or profile icon. Clicking on this will guide you to a menu where you can manage all your financial details linked to your Steam account. After you access your account details, look for the Add Funds to your Steam wallet option. It should be pretty prominent since it's specifically designed to encourage hassle-free transactions. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose the amount you wish to add to your Steam wallet. Steam might offer you a few increment options such as 5, 10, 25, or even custom amounts, so choose according to your needs and budget. Here's the important part: when you're prompted to select a payment method, this is where you need to choose Google Pay. If it's your first time, you might need to do a little setup here. Make sure your Google Pay is linked with a valid credit or debit card, with any one of your cards being attached suitably on your device, as this serves as an intermediary for your purchase. Following your selection of Google Pay, you might be prompted to confirm your payment method one more time as a security measure. Don't worry, it's there to protect you from any unauthorized charges. Just make sure all details are accurate and proceed with the confirmation. Finally, after confirming the payment, give it a few seconds. Your funds should appear almost instantly in your Steam wallet, and you'll receive a confirmation of the successful transaction. You can now return to the Steam homepage and start purchasing your favorite games without worry. And that's it. You've just successfully added funds to your Steam wallet using Google Pay. As always, remember to double-check any charges on your credit card or bank statement to ensure everything is accurate. Enjoy your gaming experience. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informational videos.